Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got a special treat. It's a AMT Ertl kit, 125 scale, 1962 Pontiac Catalina 421 Super Duty. Skill level 2 on this kit. And 1998 this one come out. Here's the side box art. Got a 405 horsepower, 421 cubic engine Super Duty in this one, the V8. Dual 4-barrel carburetors, 4-speed manual transmission with a Hurst shifter, factory steel wheels with hubcaps and rear drag slicks. Nice looking little kit there. Let's go ahead and get right into this one. I obviously took the shrink wrap off of that one many moons ago, as they say. Alrighty. Right off the bat here we have a bag full of molded in gray plastic parts. We're going to go ahead and cut this one open. Hope everyone's having a great day. It's beautiful outside right now. I think it's in the mid-50s where I'm at here. Very nice. Alright. Here we have a beautiful looking body. A little bit slick. As always, we're going to clean it up real nice before we paint it. Nice looking rear end there. Nice sides. Got the hood latch bracket and all that there molded in. That's cool. We're going to remove that. Nice looking. Nice little hump there. Give it that faux convertible look to it. Alrighty. Pretty good thickness. Here we have the chassis. Nice detail stamped into it, molded into it. Gas tank is on there. This part of the floorboard won't be covered with the interior tub. That's interesting. We'll have to look at that when that comes up. And here's the frame, which is separate, which is really nice. A little bit thin, but you know, still nice. I like the idea of having the separate frame. I always thought that was a great idea. Oh, had two there. Next we have some exhaust pipes with mufflers attached. Some little like ladder bars there. Traction bars, not ladder, but traction bars. Some coil springs. Front steering spindles. And two little pieces. I'm not sure what they are. We'll have to check that out when we get in there. Okay. This tree we have the front suspension, drive shaft, axle housing half. Yep. Maybe we're going to have a little carrier part there that goes in. Valve covers. Very nicely looking. Nicely detailed. Here's the front carrier. Okay. And on this tree we have the steering column. And I can't make out what this is. Could be, I think that's part of the steering gearbox right there. Interesting. That would attach to the end of this. And we have a nice battery. And possibly a remote oil filter. And the other part of the exhaust that goes over the rear axle. Okay. This tree we have the hood and hood hinges. No mistake in those. Crazy looking design on the inside, but better than the previous kit, that's for sure. Here we have front seat. This is the front seat, bench seat with the back. Rear parts of the wheels, the backings. Some of those. Some A-arms. Little coil springs. Some coolant hoses. A little bit of the little things are throwing me off there. little extra pieces of tree that need to be trimmed off. Here's your rear seat and your steel wheels, plastic steel wheels. Some shock absorbers, pretty cool looking. The interior door panels, very nicely detailed. You can do some nice detail work on those. That's very sharp. Then we have this side, the firewall, with decent detailing on it. Oil pan. I think that's a water pump. Fuel line, very cool. Very cool. Fuel pump right there. Generator with the bracket attached to it. Ignition coil, I believe that is. Starter. 4-bladed fan. Pulley and fan belts. Little distributor. Dual carbs. Very nice. So that coincides with the fuel lines here. Very cool. The heads. The exhaust manifolds, which are really nice looking. Big old intake manifold. And here's your 421 engine block and transmission combo. Your radiator support, the radiator. And there's the dashboard. Needs a little bit of cleanup, but not too much. Maybe a little bend. Interesting. That brake pedal goes way over that way. That's crazy. Alright. Not much detail going on for the dash, but hopefully there's some decals in there to make that look pretty. Alright. And we have tail lights, molded in red. Lenses. Okay. Put that there. Next, out of a bag, rear window. Or, I'm sorry, that's the windshield, front windshield. Here's the rear window. Can do all kinds of detail with that, depending on what part of that shows. That might not show, that might be covered with the body. We have a clear steering wheel. Now, that's a first for me. I don't know that I've ever seen a clear steering wheel. Pretty crazy looking. There's headlights. Got dual headlights. And some other lights. Alright. Tires are coming up next. We have 2 drag slicks for the back, which are clearly marked Goodyear. Very nice. Good density on them. Scuff them up, make them look really good. And then the old suicide front wheels, front tires, with Firestone on them, on the one side, nothing on the other. Yep. Very nice. Nice set of wheels. And we have a chrome tree, but because this is right here, I'm going to go ahead and do this. This is our decals, guys. We got one little something there, and then a Michigan 62 cat. That's it. 3 decals. Hardly worth putting in the box, but whatever. Sorry, that's just me. Alright. I have to dig through the old parts bin there and find some decent decals and dress this thing up real pretty. Very nice looking grill. I like that. That's very sharp. I think it goes this way. Yep, there's your Catalina word right there. Front and rear bumpers. That's the rear one. That's your front. A chrome half Batman steering wheel. I don't know how safe that would be driving. Interior mirror. I think these are windshield wiper pieces right here. Stick shifter. Carburetor air cleaners, little ones. And some nice dog dish hubcaps. These are really nice looking. I really like those. Alrighty. The old Ertl paperwork here. Their old blueprinter insert. And then the directions, instructions. Let's see what we get here. Important assembly. 4 different languages and not a lick of information on the car itself. Alright, we'll have to do our own Google search on that, guys. Here's your engine build. Put together, fuel lines, fuel filter. Yep, nice, very nice. There are, see, now if I'm reading this correctly, That's telling me that there's a decal for the speedometer in there, which clearly is not on this card anywhere. Okay, but that's what it would look like if they were going to give it to you. And showing you some tips on how to detail your interior panels. Package tray. Okay, putting that on. Put your frame on with your exhaust. Springs. Yep. Very nice. Looks like a pretty simple build. Put your tires together, your wheels. Okay. Look at there, they even include a dome light, it looks like. I didn't see that in the parts, but must be in there. That's pretty cool. Some little bits here. Slap your rear tail lights together, and that's it. That's all they have for you. There's a paint chart in the front here to give you some tips on painting. Well, that's all she wrote, folks. I hope you enjoyed that one. I think it's the first Pontiac I did on the channel, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I want you all to have a great day. I thank you so much for stopping by. And as always, keep on modeling. We'll see you on the next one.